my lovely viewers, welcome to आज by Dubai. मैं हूँ आपकी host और दोस्त रशा शेख. Welcome to our real estate segment. Let's have a quick brief from the man himself, Mr. Kamran Malik. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on our show, Mr. Kamran Malik. Okay, Mr. Kamran Malik, as we could see in the previous episodes, the cityscape was a great attraction. आप थोड़ी सी हमें और जानकारी दे सकते हैं, information about what exactly, like our viewers would like to know what's more exciting.
Project in the sports city called Canal Residence.
जी बिल्कुल, Canal Residence जी.
Canal Residence is, you can say that it is the core project of the sports city. Canal Residence, as you have seen on the site and you have seen, in our program, that it is located on the only canal in a sports city. It is a water-facing property.
Okay.
And it is a ready property where you can invest today and take a possession of the property today, and you want to rent it, you want to sell it, you want to wait for the capital.
Oh, it's all in one.
Exactly.
Okay, great.
So it's a ready possession property.
So basically, it's named canal is because it's actually situated on a canal. So basically, there is a phenomena.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
The advantage of Canal Residence, why we picked up this project to have it in the pilot episode, because this is a very prestigious, or you can say this is how can I explain it? It is one of the best projects in very affordable prices. Hardly 1,000 dirham per square feet, and the sizes of the apartments, like if you're taking a studio, the studio is something like one single room apartment. But when you enter in their studio, you will find a lobby to enter. You will find a massive room, beautifully done bathrooms, excellent balconies, looking into the either golf course or the water view.
Okay.
And it is so affordable that within 700,000, 750,000 dirhams, you can own an apartment there.
Oh, that's amazing. 750,000 is just affordable. Okay.
And you've got, they have even one-bedroom apartments and two-bedroom, and you must see the penthouse. Mind-blowing. The penthouse is about 3,500 square feet and beautiful terrace areas, looking into the canal and looking into the golf course. You wake up and you get a beautiful view from there.
Okay.
So various prices, and if you are looking for a penthouse and you want to live in Palm Jumeirah, or maybe you want to call it like Marina, you are going to pay something close to 6 million dirhams.
That's correct.
That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money, yes.
You can have same standard within half the price in Sports City. 3 million dirhams with a lot of space, a lot of luxury, and beautiful living. As well as if you want to lease it, there are many people who are waiting for these.
Oh, okay.
And they will rent it. I don't guarantee you, but I can assure you that these will be taken very fast.
Great. And what's the number of floors?
It is
Approximately
about 10 to 11 floors.
Okay, great.
And it's not a very high-rise building.
Okay.
And built by Sports City. That's the beauty of it. That these projects which are built by Sports City, they have maintained certain standards.
Okay, they are not skyscrapers, or they're not high-rise.
Okay. No, they are not. They are high-rises, but you can't call them skyscrapers like you see in Dubai Marina,
Sheikh Zayed,
Lake Tower, Sheikh Zayed,
great,
or many other projects. Yeah, and in this Sports City, I would say that this is the best project by far.
So inshallah, we're looking forward. Our viewers are looking forward, and yes, coming up to our next.
On the first episode itself, we had a lot of people inquiring about it, and there are quite a few people who are flying from Pakistan to Dubai to come and view it physically and probably take them.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay.
And we are there to assist them to the level that we get them the key of the house. The project which is called Oxford Tower. Oxford Tower जो है वो Business Bay में located है. Business Bay has a very unique presence in the market. Business Bay is a project which is now connected to downtown.
Okay,
downtown क्या है आप सब जानते हैं.
जी
बुर्ज
हाँ.
खलीफा.
जी.
बुर्ज खलीफा क्या है उसके लिए किसी को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
जी बिल्कुल. Everybody knows about it. Correct.
So it is in the same vicinity.
Okay.
And the best thing about the Oxford Tower, that if you're looking for an office space or you're an investor, you want to rent, you want to buy a place to rent it, and or you want to come and start your own business in Dubai, you can buy Oxford Tower offices, which are ranging from 1,000 square feet and as big as you want.
Okay,
You
great.
can probably take one full floor. The best thing I didn't tell you yet, you can pay in 2 years' time
Oh, that's
and take
amazing.
the key today.
Oh, so this is the special
It is something which is ready
characteristic.
possession, and you can start your business right away. Being in business pay, it is instant recognition,
Okay.
and you are close to the most busy business district, which is Sheikh Zayed Road.
Oh, that's great.
You know, I mean, if you want to have a business, you have to have an address.
Exactly,
And this
that's
is
correct.
the address. You
Okay.
don't have to explain people where is your office. You just say Oxford Business Bay.
So that's the landmark, proper landmark. Like that's the only one in Sheikh Zayed Road, Business Bay.
Business Bay or downtown.
Exactly.
When you tell people, they know where to go. So it
Absolutely
is so
correct.
easy. It is such an investment, such an exciting investment that you can buy an office space today and you can rent it. You will buy it at the rate of 1,200 dirham per square feet.
That's
and
fantastic.
You will be leasing it easily within 100 to 120 dirham per square feet. That means that you are going to make 8% to 10% returns on your investment. Where you get this kind of a return?
That's
Try
amazing.
to get this return in Pakistan.
इंशाल्लाह. चलिए बढ़ते हैं अगले एपिसोड पे. क्या what had you?
Third episode, yes, that was one of the best episodes also.
I think that was Al Khail.
Al Khail Heights, yes, Al Khail Heights. Al Khail Heights was suspense.
Al
Till-
Khail Heights.
No,
Now again, the
actually,
phenomena would
it
be
was a
heights.
suspense, basically, a lot of people were talking about Al Khail Heights, Al Khail. Yeah, I mean, if you have an apartment there in Al Khail Heights, stand in the balcony, you still have a view of Burj Khalifa, Business Bay.
Amazing.
Amazing. The class of this project is like the attraction, the main attraction, that people who are scared of the heights, they live in these buildings because they are G+4, ground plus 4.
Exactly.
And
Okay.
you have a variety of investments available in that. You've got studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and few 3 bedrooms. It's a complex of about 22 buildings.
Amazing. Oh.
Yeah, it's a massive gated community, and it has its own community services. Like it has beautiful landscape which is going to come now because the project is under construction. It is on near completion. The best thing about this project that it is in the vicinity of Business Bay and downtown, which is Al Quoz. You can have a walk towards Oasis Mall.
Oh,
Oasis
that's
Mall
amazing.
is a very close proximity. You can go for a bowling, which is very close. Go for a bowling center and enjoy your evening there. A lot of dining facilities there. And in addition, the most attractive part of this project, which we could not tell our viewers in that episode, where I was interviewing Noura, who is the manager for the Al Khail Heights project.
Okay.
You can pay in installments from the day first, a down payment, another payment, and another payment. So 3 payments within 9 months, which is about 50%, 10% on the handover, and yet you get your key, and you have still 40% payment
Left.
left, which you're going to pay after receiving the
Bilkul
keys
khoob.
in 2 years' time. It is a great opportunity for an investor who is willing
bilkul,
to
bilkul.
rent it. He can earn the money and pay the cost.